Fella, listen. Stay calm, guys. Stay calm.
Metete a los robots,
Entra, va por rebote, va por...
Que meta a los robots,
Inside, you're against Barreiro, you can't. Foul. We got fouls, they're running. Use the fouls.
We need to play with more energy. More energy. No offense, defense. He's not going late to the offensive rebound. Let's box out, playing hard.
He's right, we need to box out. Mark, please, crash, hostia. Crash, tíos, crash, joder. Crash!
Don't complain with the referees if it's foul or not. Do your job. Do your job.
Don't stop the ball. Extra pass. Finish the extra pass to the corner. When we start to do strange things, turnovers, we don't get nothing. When we play and repeat and that, we get advantage every single time.
Respect the rule, guys. We don't are here to make assists. Play the system. Move them side to side. Move them. Play together. And after that is easy.
We are not making fouls. We make turnovers. And we're by 3. Calm down,